Hey guys, so I was about to go to bed. Watching Black Button, finishing it. It's on TV, so I thought I'd watch it real quick before I go to bed. So I'm watching that, and yeah, I'm going to bed. But today, I didn't really do anything. Just, I don't know, sat around, watched TV. We had a bad storm today. It was terrible. It was really annoying, and so I just listened to my iPod. But yeah, that's really all I did. I didn't do much, played some Xbox, that's it. But tomorrow, going bowling, yeah. So I'll bring my camera, record that, then I might be hanging out with Connor and them after the pals, so, yeah. So, I'll have some footage this weekend. Be good. But yeah, I'm just gonna go to bed, I guess. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day or whatever. And yeah, alright, bye.